So a common question that I get is how to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. So if you want to become a TikTok Shop affiliate, I'll share with you exactly how it works. So to get full access to TikTok Shop affiliate, you need at least 5,000 followers on TikTok. And once you hit the 5,000 followers, you can basically apply it directly on your TikTok app, and you won't have any limitations. Now, if you have 1,000 followers, you can still join TikTok Shop affiliate through something called a pilot program. The pilot program gives you access, but with some limitations. You can only post 5 TikTok Shop affiliate videos a week and can go live only 3 times a week. So here's the difference. With 5,000 followers, you get full access to TikTok Shop affiliate with no restrictions. With 1,000 followers, you can join through the pilot program, but with some limitations. And let me show you exactly how to apply for TikTok Shop affiliate. So you can just go to your TikTok account, go to your profile, open TikTok Studio, scroll down, and click on TikTok Shop for Creator. Now, if you're eligible, you should be able to see the Join Now button, and you can just click on Join Now. And that's it. That's how you join the TikTok Shop affiliate program. A common question is, what if you don't have the 1,000 followers yet, but you still want to do TikTok Shop affiliate? So if you're under 1,000 followers, you basically have 3 options. Option number 1 is that you can buy an account that already has the 5,000 followers, and then you can apply for the TikTok Shop affiliate right away. And the accounts, from what I've seen, it's currently going for $500 to $600. Option 2 is a common method that a lot of people are using right now. It's to grow their account organically to 1,000 followers. And once they join the pilot program, and they can start to run ads to grow their account to 5,000 followers to remove the restrictions. And then option number 3, you can simply grow your account organically all the way to 5,000 followers, and then you can apply for full access. So that's exactly how to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. If you want to learn more, I've got many TikTok Shop affiliate tutorials on the channel if you want to go deeper. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. Any questions, leave it in the comments below, and hope to see you in the next video.